Hi, to use Cleaner on your POCO F6, as a first step, we will need to press and hold any free space on our home page, and after that, select the widgets on the bottom of the screen. Now, we need to find the Cleaner widget, which looks like that. You can immediately add it by clicking Add button. You can also move it to the second or third page if you just hold it and move to the second or third one, but I'm perfectly fine with the first page, so let's leave it here and confirm the changes by pressing the check mark. And now, if you have some trash here which you can clean up, you will see this information in the widget, but in my case, everything looks good for now. But in your case, if you have some trash which you can clean, you just need to tap the widget, and here you would see this button to clean up some space. Let's go in this option, and as you can see, in my case, everything is cleaned up. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.